I can make my own mixture tailored to my own hair and what it wants. Yo, we can't be wasting shea butter, people. You can go fancy with this. You can put mango butter, you can do whatever. And that is basically my shea butter mixture done. And it's not even been 10 minutes. It's beautiful, people. So today we're going to be mixing shea butter. I'm going to be showing you my shea butter mixture. And this is basically like, you know how people have like the fancy procedures where they have like the mixer? Like we're doing this in the kitchen with a spoon, because that's how I do it. I should have put everything together before I started. This is very impromptu, guys. Basically, I was washing my hair, realized I've run out of shea butter mixture, or I knew beforehand, but then I didn't fix the situation. So now, in order for me to finish my wash routine today, I need to mix up some shea butter. So yeah, let's do this. Just so you can see what I'm going to be using. Shea butter. I get my shea butter from this site called freshskin.co.uk. I've got it there for years. They sell like smaller tubs, but I normally get this because it lasts me a while. But yeah, so I've got the shea butter, and I'm probably going to mix it into this. This is what my shea butter used to, what I normally have my shea butter in. Also from Fresh Skin, I have got this tea tree oil and lavender oil. But again, I'm going to add that in there. What else is going to be going in there? Coconut oil, olive oil, and we've got some castor oil. It's not like the black Jamaican one or whatever it is, but then it's just normal castor oil. But yeah, I need like I need my hair spoon. I have a hair spoon, guys. It's the spoon I use for mixing my conditioner, mixing my shea butter, like, you know, hair spoon. Got the hair spoon. Does the job. First thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be taking out the shea butter and I'm going to spoon it into my container, because I don't mix. I guess you could mix it in here, but because I like to mix it in batches, in case I decide to change the recipe, I want to do something different, I normally just take some out of this. And I love this. This is honestly, because no shea butter, sometimes you get the yellow one, you get the different types. This has honestly always been my favorite one to buy. I've been buying this shea butter from Fresh Skin for yonkers, literally years. And here you go, like literally, just look at like that. I know that looks white, like white shea butter, but that's because that's just how it is. I'm gonna spoon that in there. The hills are alive. If you guys have seen it's either my get to know me tag or my new YouTuber tag, you will get why I'm singing that song. And yo, if you ain't subscribed to my YouTube channel, go check a sister out. It's like a lifestyle channel. Talk about all things lifestyle, I guess. Oh my days. I can't believe I've had this tub for ages. You know, literally, as soon as I saw how empty this was, I was like, I wonder what I can use this for. Black people on containers, we really know how to recycle. As y'all can see, I've just got the shea butter spooned in there, nothing fancy. I'm gonna get my hands in there as well, so you know. We can't be wasting shea butter, people. We cannot be wasting it. So yeah, be ready to get messy. Now I'm just gonna add in my oils. So I'm just gonna add, again, just on top of that, I'm not doing anything fancy. Just gonna add in a bit of olive oil. And with this, I just go by sight, really. What you have to be mindful of is shea butter is very oily in and of itself, so you don't want to go crazy with the oil. I'm going to add in my castor oil. Now, this is my recipe, and I use oils that have always worked well with my hair. But again, you guys, you know your own hair. You should know your own hair, people. Get to know your hair like it's a person. It has its personalities. It has its things that it likes and it doesn't like. And whatever your hair likes, use that. If your hair does not like castor oil, do not put castor oil in your mixture. That's what I'm saying. Because you can't be calling me saying, well, you put castor oil in yours and now it's bad on mine. I would deny you. Okay, wow. This got real quick. Okay, and I'm just going to spoon a bit of coconut oil in there as well. And then for scent, okay, tea tree oil is just because, I don't know. I feel like when I first went natural, I saw something about tea tree oil being good. So I'm just going to add that in for scent as well. So literally just a few drops. As you will notice, I am doing this by sight. If you all wanted specific instructions, I apologize. This was impromptu and I kind of would like to put this on my hair while it's still wet. Just washed my hair, by the way, guys. I'm not sure if I said that. And there's going to be a separate video coming up as well, actually, about my, well, not my wash routine, but just what I did today. And there's stuff on my Instagram as well. I feel like I talk about my hair a lot. So yeah, this is the lavender oil. Again, I'm adding that in for scent. And that is just, is that my mixture? That is basically my mixture. So my mixture is basically shea butter, coconut oil, castor oil, olive oil, tea tree oil, and lavender oil. And now I've got it all in here. I'm just going to start mixing. And you just want to mix it all in together till it gets in good. I don't know if y'all can see. For anyone that's like, I guess I was going to say Nigerian, but I guess like African. Like, do it like a swallow. Like it's eba. Just mix it well. For anyone who is not African, who doesn't know what I'm talking about, just, you know, make sure it's well mixed in. Let's go with that. But yeah, so you basically want to use the same technique you would use for like something like eba or pounded yam. You want to make sure you just get it in all the right corners, or like amala, because amala you have to mix, you have to use your energy. But as y'all can see, that's like, again, pretty oily. But I'm just going to mix that up and then I'll come and show you guys the end result. And the longer you mix it, the fluffier it gets, by the way. So what you want is like, depending on how much energy you have, you want to basically make it really fluffy. That real fluffy, real fluffy, real fluffy. So I don't know if you guys can see just how creamy that is, but yeah. And that is basically my shea butter mixture done. And it's not even been 10 minutes. It's been 8 minutes and 20 seconds. 8 minutes and 27 seconds. 28, 29. I won't stop. 8 minutes and 34 seconds. Okay, I am gonna stop now. But yeah, that's basically all done. And normally it takes me like 5 minutes, just because, like, it's longer because I'm talking to you, camera, all that stuff. Things just take longer. But yeah, so for anyone who wants to make their shea butter mixture, it doesn't have to be anything fancy. You basically just need a spoon, a bowl, and the ingredients you want. And you know, you can go fancy with this. You can put mango butter, you can do whatever. But it is so easy to make your own hair products when there's shea butter, and I can make my own mixture tailored to my own hair and what it wants. Yo. Okay, y'all, I can sense I'm just gonna start going on now. So I'm just gonna wrap things up here. If you don't follow me, check out my Instagram. Follow me on Instagram. Check out my YouTube channel. Check out my blog. Depending on what you want to do. If you like to read, I have a blog. If you like to watch videos, I have a YouTube channel. You can check me out on IGTV. You can check out my stories, my Instagram, and just basically everything. For now, I'm just gonna say God bless you, Jesus loves you, and may the Spirit of God be with you. Bye, guys.
I feel like natural hair, especially with the curls, is just like the best thing on the face of this earth.
Glory of the Lord. Glory.